Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing a SheGlam holiday makeup tutorial for you guys. So you guys know that I'm always working with Shein, and I was really intrigued by their makeup line, so I went and ordered some things, especially the Stay Wild collection, since I've seen many videos about it, so I really wanted it. So first, my thoughts is that I honestly love everything. I didn't try everything just because I couldn't, but the things that I try are freaking amazing. I love them. So I'm gonna do a little haul of everything that I got, and then you guys can go see the video. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so first things is that I got the Stay Wild collection. So first we have the palette, which is what I use on my eyes today, and I love it. Like, it's so pigmented, so beautiful. I especially love the highlight. It's so pretty, and I'm obsessed. So I use this for my eyes. I also got all 4 of the little like glitter pots or gel pots, I don't know. So this one is in Queen, Icy, this one is in Peacock, and this one is in Rebellion. So the one that I used today was Queen, and I love it. You guys are gonna see in the video that I had no idea what I was gonna do with my makeup, but I ended up really liking it, so I'm really happy about that. So I also ordered a few like lip products. So I got 2 from the Stay Wild collection. This one is in Naked and this one is in Neutral. I swatched them right here. This is Neutral and this one is Naked. I also have 2 bullets, and the pink one is in Rose. This one, Rose, and this one is in Milk Tea. Watch the whole video because I got something for you guys involving this. It might be a dupe alert, okay? So if you want to see the dupe, then keep on watching. Okay, so I got these, and I also got a lip gloss. It looks so beautiful, but I can't use it today. And this one is in Deja Vu. So I was already gonna go and take off my makeup, and I forgot to show another lip product. So this is a cute little box. I feel like this is such a perfect like Christmas gift. So you open it, and it has 3 tiny like mini lipsticks, and they just look so beautiful. Like, this is such a wearable little collection. So you have a pink, a red, and a nude. Like, this is so pretty and so cute. They look like the Jeffree Star. They kind of remind me of the Jeffree Star lipsticks. So yeah, I just forgot to show you guys that. So yeah, so the products that I try, I love them. I also got the mascara. I also got the waterproof liquid eyeliner. This one I love so much. I'm obsessed with felt liners, well, felt tip liners. I got the concealer, but sadly I forgot to use it, and I feel like it's a little too light for me. I got it in light, and it's a little light. So this is everything that I got from the SheGlam line. And yeah, now I'll let you guys watch the video. So I did prime my eyes, I primed my face, and I did my eyebrows. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I use. So for primer, you guys know the E.L.F poreless putty primer, the best for eyebrows. The E.L.F pomade in medium brown, also the best. And for concealer to carve out my eyebrows, I don't know where I left it, but I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in light medium beige. So I took everything out of the package because I didn't want to like be taking everything out and making a lot of noise. So it comes with the little box and it's the same exact design. So it's the Statewide SheGlam collection. I know I'm a little late to the review, but I still wanted to try it out. This is my first time trying SheGlam products, so I'm really excited. I love the color and the design, so we're gonna open it. Okay, so this is all the shades. I feel like this is such a fall palette and I'm so in love with it. Still don't know what I'm gonna do, so as we go we're gonna figure that out, but let's start. Okay, so something that I can see right off the bat is that this first shade is blending like a dream. This is the perfect transition shade on this palette. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm not having a hard time trying to blend it out, and it's so pretty. Now I want to darken up that crease right here, and for that one I'm going into Whenever, which I think this is a bronzer, but that looks super dark, so I'm gonna use that and just focus it on my crease right here. I know it's looking a little rough and a little weird, but you know, trust the process. Now going back to the Wet n Wild concealer, I'm gonna take a Wet n Wild little flat brush and I'm just gonna cut the crease, but I'm doing a cut crease, so you guys, you gotta do the shape, you know. Now taking the little same brush but clean, I'm taking the If which is the gold shade, and I'm gonna apply it all over where we applied that concealer. Actually, what I'm gonna be doing is leaving a little line because I want to add the metallic blue shade, which is Joyride. I think I want to add it between the gold and the brown. So for that, think I'm gonna be taking this little E.L.F concealer brush. It's just tiny, and I'm just gonna be packing that blue shade just as a liner. I don't know if I like it or not. So at this point, I'm just winging it. I'm trusting the process. And let's see what we come up with. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I hate it or not. Kind of don't like it. But I'm still gonna be going because there's no going back at this point. Okay, now I'm low-key scared for what's about to happen. I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea or maybe a mistake, but you know, if we're already this deep into the makeup, might as well go even deeper. So they have these like little pots, and they have like a glaze or a gel or something like that with like glitter. So I'm gonna use one. I just don't know which one. Should I use the gold one? Yeah, I should, right? All right, So the name of this one, it doesn't even have a name. Let me look for it. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the shade Queen, and this is how it looks in the inside. It's just a gel, so we're gonna, you know, fix that, I guess. Okay, so basically how it looks is just, it looks like glitter, pretty much. I guess because, you know, the background shade is gold, so it just looks like I'm adding glitter. Here I'm just cleaning that excess glitter. Okay, okay. I think we're going somewhere. I'm just using my mirror as a fan. See if it actually sets and like dries, or if I have to set it with the eyeshadow, or what's happening. So I'm gonna be doing the other eye of camera because honestly recording this is so stressful because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, it's the waterproof liquid liner. What I like about it is that it's a felt tip, and I love felt tip eyeliners. These are the only ones that I can use. They just make it so easy to do a wing, but in this case I'm not gonna be doing a wing because I feel like it's already too much, so I'm just gonna be lining the lid so I can place my eyelashes. So yeah. Okay, so I have the first coat of mascara. I'm gonna wait for it to dry so I can use the other end. So while I was letting the mascara dry, I did my face makeup. And for foundation, I used the Superstay 24-hour foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. For concealer, I use the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C8. For powder, I use the Rimmel London Stay Matte powder in translucent. For bronzer, I use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And now I'm gonna be adding the second coat of mascara with the other wand. Now I'm gonna be applying lashes, and they do come with eyelashes. This is how they look, but they look intense and super dramatic for me. And you know, I'm a dramatic girl, but these are too much for this look, so I'm gonna use my own. And these I got off of Aliexpress in the style E19. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how they look. They're a little wonky because I've already worn them a few times. The lipstick, I really don't know which lipsticks to use, so I have two of the liquid lipsticks from the collection, and a, where is it, and a bullet. These are so cool. Like, you click the top and it comes out. That looks so fancy. You guys, I just noticed that I forgot to wear the concealer. I forgot, and it looks so like creamy. I'm so sad. I don't know how I forgot to use it, but I got the concealer. But I feel like it's a little too light for me anyways. Yeah, I feel like it's a little too light. So first, I don't know which one. I have them all here. I have neutral, then the peachy one is called Naked, and this one is the bullet in Milk Tea. I don't know. So I'm gonna take the bullet first and see how I like it. It's a really pretty pinky nude. Is almost the exact same color as my lips. So this one is the perfect pinky nude. This one actually, you guys, okay, so this lipstick, now that I'm looking at it on my lips, it reminds me so much of the MAC Velvet Teddy. So let's do a little comparison. So this is Velvet Teddy. And now let's do Milk Tea by SheGlam next to it. Okay, so, oh my god, like in real life, they look so similar, but you guys can tell that in camera, this one, the Milk Tea one, looks a little more peachy, and the MAC one looks a little more pink, but in real life, like here, it looks the exact same one. Okay, I'm impressed. Okay, so if you love Velvet Teddy from MAC but don't want to be spending the 20 bucks on it, SheGlam lipstick in Milk Tea, perfect dupe. I can't believe I just found a dupe. Like, hello, this. So yeah, definitely staying with this lipstick on. I really like it. Really pretty. So I added some mascara on my bottom lash, a little bit of that brown shade that I use on the crease also. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of blush because I didn't do that, and for that I'm using the Milani Big Blush in Luminoso. And for highlight, I'm gonna try to use the highlight that comes in the palette, this one, which is called Summer Twilight. Such a pretty highlight. It's not too intense. I feel like it gives you like a natural glow. It looks so pretty. I love it. Okay, so now for blush. Oh my god, I love this blush. It just gives me like the prettiest natural blush ever. It's so pretty. For setting spray, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay All Nighter to set everything in place. Okay, so I'm gonna be fixing my hair and I'll be right back. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. As you guys saw in the video, everything that I tried, I loved. I really recommend the products that I was trying on, that I used today on my face, because they look so beautiful. And yeah, I look flawless. So I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Bye.